So, where you will be very waiting for a Python classes. And hello friends, it is my first Python class to intro to Python, and my second class is installations. Okay, so we will go to my first class, and in this class we tell you introduction to Python. What is Python? What can Python do? Why Python? And what to know. Okay, so I will tell you that all things in Python, and some people will be made a tutorial, but it is only tell you what is Python. What is Python? Oh, that's it. But I will tell you all introduction. What is Python? What can Python do? All in this video. Okay, and now. So first of all, you can like, then subscribe, then see the video start to end. So first of all, I will tell you what is Python. And okay, so Python is a popular programming language. Why this popular programming language? I will tell you also that, because the Python is very easy programming language. Okay, that's why it is a popular programming language. It was created by Guido van Rossum and released in 1991. Okay, so it is not important to you will know. Okay, that is very important to you know why Python is popular programming language, why it is a popular programming language. So I will be telling you it used for web development, server side it will use software development. That's why it use mathematics questions and answers. It will use system scripting. It will also use from them. That four part I will tell you it used for. Okay, that for web development. And okay, so I will be telling you go to the what can Python do. What can Python do? So Python can use on server to create web applications, and Python will build a server to create a web application. Python can use alongside software to create workflows. Python can connect the database system and can also read and modify files. Python can use to handle big data and perform complex mathematics. Python can be used for rapid prototyping or for production ready software development and development. Okay, so why Python? Python works on different platforms like Windows. I will be work in this class and this web series. I will be work on Windows. Okay, different platform. It will use Python Windows, Mac, Linux, Raspberry Pi, and etc. Python has simple syntax similar to English language. Python has syntax that allows developers to write programs with fewer lines than some other programming languages. Python runs on an interpreted system, meaning that code can be executed as soon as it written. That means that prototyping can be very quick. Okay. Python can be treated in procedural way and object-oriented way or a functional way. Good to know. So I will be telling you all things, but the tutorials, most of the tutorial I will see is the introduction of Python. Most tutorial on YouTube. That tutorial I only tell you introduction to Python and this line. What is Python? Python is a programming language. It will not know what it is used for. What can Python do? I will tell you all. Good to know. So the most recent major version of Python is Python 3, which we will be using this tutorial. However, Python 2 although now begin update with anything other than security updates, it is still quite popular. In this tutorial, Python will be written in a text editor. It is possible to write Python in an integrated development environment, such as Thony, PyCharm, NetBeans, or Eclipse, which are particularly useful when managing larger collection of Python files. Python syntax compared to other programming languages. Python was designed for readability and has some similarities to the English language with influence from mathematics. Python used for new file to complete command has opposite to the other programming languages which often use semicolons or these. Python really relies on indentation using white space to define scopes such as scope of, loop, function, and classes. So, says other programming languages is often use curly brackets. Okay, so I will be telling you all things what can Python do, what is Python, it's used for, all things I will be telling you. And Python, where can Python we can use on Windows, Mac, okay, and in series I will be tell you all things step by step. First videos come on installation, then variables, operators, many videos it will coming in, and then I will be merge the all videos, then I will be upload one tutorial of Python. So get ready for this series. So now I will not take a long time. I'm sorry, meet you next class installation of Python. So for today, goodbye.